Hi guys, here's a quick video on how to save your Piskel sprites and save them to your gallery and as a PNG document. First, third icon down on the right, little save icon, looks like a floppy disk. Click on that. Save to your gallery. As easy as that, your image is saved to your gallery. Do this often just in case something happens with the computer and you lose your image. Save often. In order to save your work as a PNG, which is then going to be a single image downloaded onto your computer, the fourth icon down, which looks like a mountain and a moon or a sun, says export. At the very bottom, it says download. Single frame. So whatever frame you have showing here is what's going to be downloaded. Leave everything up here. The only thing you're clicking on is download. This downloads right to your computer. From there, take your image and upload it to Google Classroom. And just like that, your work is submitted.